Good morning, everyone. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. I'm Nancy Marfil from Antipolo Dreamers Worldwide Center. Came from Anonas, our mother's center. It is my great honor to stand here before you to share my testimony and using our obsolete product, particularly the Hemohim and our Omega-3. Back then, during 2020, when COVID-19 pandemic arises in our country and all over the world, I experienced so much pain in my back. I couldn't stand straight. That makes immovable because even I move a little, it makes my pain aching continuously. And because of that, I couldn't eat also because every time I did, I will just vomiting that goes also to weakens my immune system. So to make the story short, I was in the hospital several times. I was just an outpatient because all hospital that time are full and also at risk. For us now, COVID patient, almost 2 months of weekly visits to the hospital, nothing happened. I was just given a pain reliever by the doctors, but no avail. I was just continue suffering in pain, pain in my body, and pain in my pocket as well. Though I am an atomians already, at the time, I still gave the priority of synthetic medicines and thinking that maybe because I am in public hospital, maybe I didn't just get the proper treatment. So I transferred to a private hospital. The doctor there is examined and subject me to a lab test and found out that I have a kidney stones. The doctor assured me that medicines can still have them melt and no operation needed. He prescribed me different synthetic medicine and another lab test after a month. This time, I did not buy the prescribed medicine. I took Hemohim 4 times a day together with our Omega-3. And you know what? After 4 days of taking our Hemohim and Omega-3, I felt relief already. I gained my strength and almost no more pain. And I can more than normal as I'm before. In less than a month of taking, I had my another test and my doctor told me, congratulations, your tests are clear. So now, I wouldn't be hesitated again to continue to take our supplement and share to my loved ones and to others the amazing products we have in Atomy. And now I'm proud because at my age of 57 years old, I do my daily routine easily. I can eat whatever food I like. And most of all, I do my Zumba as my workout and exercise for my healthy lifestyle living because of Atomy. For this company, I'm very thankful and grateful that I got introduced in this company. So once again, thank you everyone. Thank you, Lord. Mabuhay Atomy. Adya, adya. To God be the glory.